Chapter 1 Samcharanam. The Vedas are the authentic and authoritative books of ancient Indian society and religion. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sham Veda, and Atharva Veda. The verses of the Vedas are called mantras. In the Veda mantras, there is sometimes incantation, hymns of praise, and sometimes prayer. Sometimes there is a description of somebody, and sometimes deep philosophical ideas. In the present lesson, only 3 mantras of incantation, prayer, and worship have been included. Inspired by the Vedas, etc., many hymns and prayers have been composed in different meters, which have been preserved in human mind and reached us. Presented here are 3 such hymns of praise. We have the tradition of having an invocation at the beginning of the book. With that in mind, let us begin our learning of Sanskrit with an invocation. Vedikam Agnimile Purohitam Yajnashyam Devmrutvicham Hotaram Ratnadhatamam. I pray to Agni, fire god, the preceptor of sacrifice, the deity luminous owing to divine light, the officiating priest of sacrifices, the one offering oblation and wearing gems. Agne Vratpate Vatam Charishyami Tachakeyam Tanme Radhyatam Idam Ham Nrutat Satyam Upemi. O fire god, the lord of vows, I will observe your vow. Let it vow be made successful, so that I shall go towards the truth from the falsehood. Namah Shambhavaya cha Mayobhavaya cha Namah Shankaraya cha Mayashkaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha Shivataraya cha. Salutation to the one who gives birth to welfare and happiness. Salutation to the one who brings well-being and leads to happiness. Salutation to the one who is the final bliss and who brings greater welfare. Lokikam Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutah Stunvanti Divyehe Stavehe Vedehe Shagam Pada Kramopanishade Gayantincha Shamagaha Dhyanavasthi Tatadeenten Mansa
Pashyanti yam yogino
Yashyantam na viduhu Shurashuraganaha Devaya Tashme Namaha. Salutation to the god whom Brahma, Varun, Indra and other deities praise with divine excellent words, whom those who sing the hymns from Shamdev sing with 6 auxiliary parts of Vedas, Padpat, Krampat and Upanishadas, whom the yogis see with their mind that has reached the stage of meditation, whose final limit even the demons and gods do not know. Bhayanam bhayam bhishanam bhishananama gatihi praninam pavanam pavananam mahocchehe padanam niyantrum tvamekam paresham param raksham rakshakanam. O God, you are the fear in the fearful things, the feeling of terror in the terrible things, the refugee of all living beings, the scaredness among the scared things, controller of the persons holding very high post, the most excellent of the excellent, and the protector of the protectors. Vayam tvam shmaramo, vayam tvam bhajamo, vayam tvam jagsakshirupam namamaha, shadekam nidhanam niralambamisham, bhavam bodhipotam sharanyam vrajamaha. We remember you, we are devoted to you, we bow down to you, the witness to the world. You are the eternal treasure, self-supporting God. We resort to you, the protector. You are a boat in the ocean in the form of this world.